So before I mount this plate on there, we are going to solder the pigtail on and the power wire for the camera. So I'm actually going to solder these on at the length they're at, so it gives me a little bit of play. If I need to take the top cover off, I will have the ability to do that without having to pull my pigtail out of the grommet. It's not so much wire that it's going to come out the side and get chopped up by the propeller, but it is enough to where when I pull this off, I have some movement with it, so I can lay it out of the way and do whatever I need to do. So, very important, polarity. Red to positive, black to negative. So now, I need the camera and the VTX positive and negative wires. Anytime your soldering iron sits for longer than a minute, I'd say, make sure you clean the tip off and apply a little bit of fresh solder. It makes a world of difference. Okay, let's double check our polarity. Positive red, negative black, positive red, negative black. Everything's done under there. I think we can screw this board on. So we've got power to everything, motors, ESCs, PDB, flight controller, all done. The only thing left to do is mount the receiver, mount the VTX, get the top plate on there, and then test everything. So let's get started. Oh, see that? I may not be a genius, but I ain't stupid. So that goes to our camera, this, and this go to our VTX. I was worried that I cut this stuff too short, but I didn't. Okay, where to run all of our itty bitty wires? Through here. Okay, we have the satellite bound to our transmitter. Let's figure out where we're gonna mount it. I am thinking right here. Gorilla double-sided tape. Make sure we got everything else where we want it. Let's arm the motors. Motors are armed. I don't know if you could tell there, but I could see that all my motors are spinning in the correct direction. So remember, we want our front left to spin clockwise, our front right to spin counterclockwise, our back right to spin clockwise, and our back left to spin counterclockwise. So we are good on rotation. So at that point, I would say it's safe to shrink the heat shrink tubing around the ESCs, and then we will mount the ESCs to the arm. Okay. Maiden flight of the Qav R. It hovers.
hovers.